Hi, it's Mike Pangia, and today we are going to follow a recipe in Julia Child's great book, Mastering the Art of French Cooking. Now, I want to acknowledge the co-writers, the co-authors of the book also. We don't hear their names much because they haven't been on TV like Julia, and they haven't been in a movie, so they have contributed significantly to this book, so I just want to mention their names. It's Luzette Bertoli and Simone Beck, the two co-authors of Julia Child's book. Anyway, the recipe that we're going to make today is the very first recipe in the book. It is a leek and potato soup. If you're familiar with vichyssoise, it's like the base of a vichyssoise, except we're serving it hot instead of cold. Let's take a look. We'll start by peeling about 1 pound of potatoes. Once they're peeled, we want to cut them into a dice. Next, after you've rinsed off the leeks, trim the end and cut thin slices . Now we're going to add a tablespoon of salt to 2 quarts of simmering water, and then put in our vegetables, the potatoes and the leeks. And we're going to let those simmer for 45 minutes. This has been simmering for 45 minutes, so it's time to go on to the next step. The next step is to create a puree. I'm going to use a food mill, but you can use as simple a method as mashing it with a fork or putting it through your blender. So let's try the food mill and see what we get. Now let's scoop some out and see what we've made. Now we'll dress it with about a tablespoon of heavy cream. And a garnish of a little bit of chives, just to make it pretty. My advice to you is make this soup. Potage parmentier. if you serve it hot. If you want to serve it cold, in these hot summer months upcoming, it's vichyssoise. I know you've heard of that one. It's very good. This is an amazing accomplishment of French chefs who have put this thing together. There's 3 ingredients if you count the salt: the leeks, the potatoes, and salt. Do we have to count water as an ingredient? Okay, there's 4 ingredients if we count the water. Amazingly good. You're not going to believe it. If you make it and you taste it, it's unbelievably good. Now remember, it is a vegetarian item, dish, no matter how you fix it. And it's vegan as long as you leave out the cream at the end. The cream is basically a dressing, an enhancement of the thing, but you don't need it to make a good soup or a good vichyssoise. Well, I enjoyed doing this, and I have a nice batch of soup I can put in my freezer in portions. I really enjoyed it. I had it for lunch. It was excellent. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you again next time. One more thing. Do I have to remind you that you're supposed to subscribe if you keep watching my videos? Please subscribe. Get a friend along. Hit the thing, hit share, and get a friend to come along with us. Get some more subscribers in here so the world will take what I do a little more seriously. I'd appreciate your help with that. Thanks a lot. I look forward to seeing you again next time.